Welcome back to Disney Mainstreet Family. My name is Haley. This is my sister.
Hannah the
Okay, and today we will be opening up this pin surprise packs. All of these comes with 5 each. We have this. We have like this
we get
BFF.
Princess Leia. She's my favorite.
We have BFFs. We have Star Wars Simpsons and Simpsons.
Haley just said Simpsons.
Okay, are you ready?
Yeah. Yes, Mom.
Okay.
I have tried this one.
Which one do you think I should do first?
This one.
She chose this one, people.
I'm gonna go ahead and lay down these.
Oh no. Go ahead and share the ones you got, cause.
There you go.
Go ahead and start opening up your other one, cause I'm having technical difficulties. I am going to get scissors.
Bye. Thanks for the hit, Dad. I can open it.
Yeah, go ahead and open yours.
I'll say I can open that one.
Okay, go ahead and open yours.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh no, you're trying to be sweet, but no.
Okay, sorry for the technical difficulties. Oh, finally. For the first time in forever. Okay, these come with bags.
Sorry.
First off, we got Lilo and Stitch. Then we have Pumbaa. No, not Pumbaa. Yeah, Pumbaa.
What's his name?
And the Lion King.
Mm-hmm. Right here. Is that the...
And then we have.
Good job.
And then we have no. And then Mickey. Then we have Mickey and Pluto.
I'll pick it, Ariel.
Oh, we have Sully and Mike Wazowski. Oh, so I forgot this, peoples. We will be doing close-ups at the end of the video. Okay. I do not know the name of this one. If you do, leave it down in the comment section and down below. It's like this dog with a red scarf and a cat. I don't know.
My turn.
Any suggestions, Dad? No? Okay.
I need scissors. I'm my father. It's a bag. Right.
It's a bag inside of a bag.
Whoa, this is little.
I did not know pins would come like that in bags. You want me to help you open them?
Scissors.
Here, let me help you open them.
I got it. I got them. I'm trying to open it, Dad. Ow.
Oh, peach.
I don't know who that is.
She doesn't know who it is, but she has high hopes.
Comment down below which one this is. Don't open all of them.
We have the rabbit off of Alice
And the
Alice in Wonderland. I'm late. No time to say hello, goodbye. I'm late. Okay, Hannah, they don't have to be perfect.
I know. Alice!
We have Alice that matches the rabbit.
I'm gonna put a hot dog inside rabbit.
Here. Okay, I'm gonna start going ahead and open up mine because my sister being a little bit slow.
I can't open this.
First off, we got Pinocchio and like Pinocchio.
And like Pinocchio.
Next we have Peter Pan. Peter.
She told me she had Peter Pan.
Okay, so I really wanted this one is Sorcerer Mickey.
Daddy, you're gonna love this one.
It's just treasure kept.
I'll go. Why would only Alice is in the Wonderland?
We got Woody. Woody. Of a Toy Story.
Oh, Toy Story.
Come on out. Next we have Donald Duck.
There you go. Sorry.
Yes. We have.
Let me see.
We don't know the name of this.
It's right there. Right there, guys.
Looks like a dog mixed in a rabbit.
Uh-huh.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned because we will be showing close-ups at the end. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to comment down below and turn on
subscribe.
notifications.
And subscribe.